If you're looking for a Vermont home that doesn't tie you down, this one is worth a closer look. Built less than 2 years ago by Shepherd Homes, this end-unit townhome delivers high-end finishes without the wait. Quartz countertops, shaker cabinetry, a designer tile backsplash, and statement lighting define the kitchen, all opening seamlessly into the dining and living areas, creating a layout that feels connected, bright, and easy to live in. A gas fireplace anchors the space and adds warmth through the colder months. The first-floor primary suite is designed for comfort and convenience, with a spacious walk-in closet and a well-appointed bath featuring double sinks and a tiled walk-in shower with a clean, modern finish. Upstairs, 2 generously sized bedrooms, each with walk-in closets, share a full bath, offering flexibility for guests, work, or additional living space. Step outside to a private deck and enjoy the added benefit of a 2-car garage and full basement. And here's what sets it apart: no exterior maintenance. Lock the door and head to the lake in summer, the mountains in winter, or wherever Vermont takes you. South Village brings it all together with preserved land, local farming, and quick access to everything South Burlington has to offer.